Have you ever wondered where happiness and long life actually go hand in hand? There are countries where people smile more, stress less, and live far beyond the world's average life expectancy. These are not just wealthy nations with good hospitals. They are places where community, lifestyle, food, and culture create an environment so healthy that people naturally live longer. Today we'll count down the top 10 happiest countries where people actually live longer. Stay with me until the end, because country number 3 is not what you expect. It will completely change how you see happiness and longevity. Number 10, Australia isn't just about golden beaches, kangaroos, and the Great Barrier Reef. It's one of the world's happiest and healthiest countries. The average life expectancy here is about 84 years, which is well above the global average. Why? Australians live close to nature. They surf, hike, and spend time outdoors. The sun gives them vitamin D, and their diet often includes fresh seafood, lean meats, and colorful fruits. But it's not only the environment. The sense of freedom, open space, and a strong focus on work-life balance keeps stress levels low. Australians take their holidays seriously. They spend time with family, enjoy barbecues in their backyards, and never forget to relax after work. All this makes Australia a place where both happiness and longevity naturally blend. Number 9. Canada. Canada consistently ranks among the happiest countries, and people here live well into their 80s. One of the biggest reasons is trust. Canadians generally trust their government, their institutions, and even strangers. That reduces anxiety and builds a strong sense of community. Add to that Canada's clean environment. From the Rockies to the Great Lakes, people are surrounded by pure air and vast natural beauty. Healthcare here is universal. No one worries about going bankrupt because of a medical bill, and that peace of mind directly impacts happiness and life expectancy. And if you've ever visited Canada, you've probably noticed how polite people are. That kindness and courtesy are not just cultural. They create a supportive atmosphere where people thrive longer. Number 8. Singapore. Singapore may surprise you. This tiny island nation is one of the most advanced and organized societies in the world. Life expectancy here reaches 85 years, one of the highest anywhere. Singaporeans live long not just because of excellent health care, but also because of their unique lifestyle. Street food is fresh, portion sizes are moderate, and walking is part of daily life. The city is safe, clean, and efficient. Stress is reduced because life is orderly and predictable. And happiness? It comes from balance. Singaporeans enjoy a mix of Asian traditions and modern comforts. Strong family ties, combined with cultural diversity, make life socially rich and emotionally fulfilling. But what's shocking is that even with high-pressure jobs, Singaporeans balance it out with healthy living habits. That's why they continue to rank among the longest living and happiest people in Asia. Number 7. New Zealand. New Zealand feels like a postcard come alive. Rolling green hills, crystal clear lakes, and mountains that touch the sky. But what makes Kiwis live longer and happier? It's their philosophy of life. New Zealanders enjoy what they call a laid-back lifestyle. They don't overwork themselves. They make time for rugby, fishing, hiking, and family barbecues. The Maori culture also plays a role. It teaches respect for nature, elders, and community, values that keep people mentally and emotionally healthy. The average New Zealander lives into their mid-80s, and studies show they feel more satisfied with life than most of the world. Happiness. Here is not about wealth, it's about freedom, fresh air, and the simple joys of living close to nature. Number 6. Sweden. When you think of Sweden, you might imagine cold winters. But Swedes are among the happiest and longest living people on Earth. Why? One word, lagom. It means just the right amount. Swedes don't chase extremes. They eat in moderation, work in moderation, and even rest in moderation. This balanced lifestyle leads to excellent health and mental well-being. Their diet includes fish, rye bread, berries, and very little processed food. They also have the fika tradition, taking a break for coffee and conversation, which strengthens social bonds. Healthcare and social support are world-class. No one feels left behind, and that security allows people to live longer, healthier lives. The result? A nation where people feel content and live into their 80s and beyond. Number 5. The Netherlands. The Dutch are known for cycling everywhere, and that single habit adds years to their lives. Daily exercise is built into their culture. Children bike to school, adults bike to work, and grandparents bike to the market. Life expectancy here is around 82 years, and happiness levels are among the highest in the world. Why? The Dutch value equality, freedom, and family life. Work never overshadows personal happiness. Weekends are often spent outdoors, enjoying picnics, canals, and festivals. What's fascinating is their openness. People in the Netherlands are free to express themselves without judgment. That freedom creates a society where mental health is stronger and life satisfaction is higher. But wait until you see country number 3. It will surprise you. Number 4. Japan. Japan holds one of the highest life expectancies in the world. With people regularly living into their 90s, the secret lies in their lifestyle. The Japanese diet is simple yet powerful. Fish, rice, vegetables, and green tea. Meals are eaten in small portions, reducing the risk of obesity and disease. But food is only part of the story. The Japanese also practice ikigai, a reason for living. Whether it's gardening, calligraphy, or simply caring for family, this sense of purpose keeps their minds and bodies active. Community respect is another key. Elderly people in Japan are celebrated, not sidelined. That social value gives them emotional strength, which is just as important as physical health. That's why Japan remains one of the happiest and longest living societies in the world. Number 3, Costa Rica. Here's the surprise, Costa Rica. A small country in Central America beats many rich nations in both happiness and longevity. Life expectancy here is around 81 years, almost equal to countries with much higher incomes. The secret? Costa Ricans practice pura vida, pure life. It's a way of living that focuses on joy, gratitude, and peace. Their diet includes beans, rice, vegetables, and tropical fruits, with very little processed food. Add to that plenty of sunshine and outdoor activity, and you have a recipe for long life. But perhaps the most important factor, Costa Rica abolished its military decades ago. The money that would have gone to weapons is invested in healthcare, education, and environmental protection. This creates a society where people feel secure, connected, and truly happy. Number 2, Switzerland. Switzerland may look like a fairy tale, with its snowy mountains and lakes, but it's also one of the healthiest places to live. Life expectancy here is over 84 years, and happiness levels are consistently high. Swiss people eat fresh dairy, bread, vegetables, and chocolate. Yes, even chocolate, but in moderation. They stay active by skiing, hiking, and cycling in the Alps. Clean air, safe cities, and excellent health care all contribute to their long lives. But what really stands out is the balance between work and leisure. The Swiss know how to protect their time. They value family meals, Sunday rest, and community events. It's this mix of structure, balance, and natural beauty that makes Switzerland one of the happiest and longest living countries. Number 1, Finland, and at number 1, we have Finland, crowned the happiest country in the world for several years in a row. But it's not just happiness. Finns also live longer, with an average life expectancy close to 82 years. Why Finland? It's a country that has mastered the art of well-being. They live close to nature, with forests, lakes, and clean air all around. Sauna culture is a big part of life. It reduces stress, detoxifies the body, and strengthens social bonds. Education and healthcare are excellent, and inequality is low. People feel supported and safe. But perhaps the biggest reason is trust. Finns trust their government, their communities, and each other. That creates a stress-free environment where happiness is not forced. It's natural. No wonder Finland continues to top the world in happiness and longevity. So there you have it. The top 10 happiest countries where people actually live longer. From the sunny beaches of Australia to the peaceful forests of Finland, these nations prove that happiness and longevity are not just about money or technology. They're about balance, trust, healthy habits, and a supportive community. Now here's the big question. Which of these countries would you want to live in? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss more insights into the world's most fascinating places.